Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here in home, which for us, of course, acts as a bulletin board to our classroom. And what do we have on our bulletin board? We have week 2 in modules, April 20th to the 26th, 2020. And we are going to write an essay about Beowulf and also engage in peer evaluation. All right, let's click on this link, which will bring us into the assignment for this week. And we, of course, have our part 2, the essay, and we have part 3, which are the peer evaluations, the responses. Now, if the directions regarding the essay are unclear, come over here to inbox and ask me a question, or Skype with me on Tuesday and Thursday during my Skype hours, and I'll explain the directions. I'll clarify them for you. But in part 2 of the essay, we're examining the assignment readings, the medieval and contemporary versions of Beowulf, to answer this question basically: how is the medieval era different from our era? We want to compare it to our era to make it meaningful to us. All right, so I'm over here in inbox. Let's have a good week, and I hope you are safe and well in this COVID-19 era.